Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do just a quick video here on headlight restoration. So done a bit of a bad sorry state, so I want to get stuck in here and see can I get them nice and clean. Please give us an little subscription, hit the subscribe button, give it a little thumbs up, leave a comment. Let's get these two headlights looking half decent, half new. Now some that one is in that state and this one here, so let's do it. Back in one. So this is the product here I'm going to use. McGuire's One Step Headlight Restoration Plus. I have used it on a different car. It came out quite well, so we'll give it a go and see how it does on this car. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just tape up around the edges along here, just so that the brush doesn't damage any of the paint. So that's the next job. I'm going to tape it up and we'll be back when we have that done. Right, so if this all taped up here all the way around, and this is my side, I just put the tape underneath, tucked it in underneath the leg of it all the way around, which is the best way I think to do it. This is the one Evan said I haven't done, but still, good job. So we got the job done, so we can see the before and after look. It's obviously fairly, it's probably a lot worse, I suppose, but this side, it's really simple two-stage thing this is, right? So first stage is just put on some of this, cream, that's it. Here like this. And rub it in with the brush first of all. Over. It. Hopefully we get these lights nice and clean now. Let's start cover there now. And then go slowly with it. This is how I'm actually in this for some reason. There we go. Use the drill slowly first just to start working it into the light and all the way around, and then we go overlapping like so. Right, give us plenty of welly now. Overlap going. not, just to wipe it off. And if that's not clean enough, or the way you'd like it, you use just little wee square sandpaper pieces, and we use them to remove any hard, stubborn parts. But I think looking at that came out pretty well. Off all these here, see? No harm whatsoever. There we go. Absolutely beautiful. There's a few spots in it here, here. I think that's just imperfections in the plastic really, but I'm not really too bothered about them. What I wanted to get them headlights nice and clean so I can see it now. Let's stand back and have a look. That one to this one. So, 1 second there, now let me zoom in there, we have a look. As you can see, that's fairly yellow. And this one here, hey Robert, just turned out very, 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 very nice. I'm quite happy with that job. I might actually just give it one more little rub here and we'll go back. Now, welcome back to the last part of this video here. Now we have the finished job on both sides. This is the left side and that's looking lovely compared to what it was like, you know. If you just take a look at what it was like at the beginning of the video, that's what it was like now. Beautiful. And then on the other side, it's the same thing. It's actually really nice. But look, there's a little bit of sort of discolouring on the inside of that there, but it's not too bad. Like, you know, it's grand compared to where it was. It's a million times better. But for the sake of 5 minutes, just giving it a quick going over with that McGuire's, it's well worth it. Like, I think 10-15 euros, something in that direction. I got it on Amazon and 100%. You can see how it works really well, and I'm looking forward to seeing how the headlights work tonight on the dark country roads here in Ireland. With saying that, I'd like to say thank you for everyone who watched the video. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and have a good weekend. Take care, bye bye.